Coloring by Fairy Cherry. Hello, sweetie pies! It's me, Fairy Cherry, and today we're going to use colors in our imaginations to make something super duper fun!
The clocks are right, the mouse are down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3.
Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting coloring journeys!
Tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh fiddle-sticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Remember, there's no right or wrong way to color. Just use the colors that make you happy. Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting coloring journeys!
Riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
See you later, alligator! Wishing you a world full of colors and smiles until next time! forget to like this video and subscribe to stay connected with Fairy Cherry.